Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, and on this video we are going to show you the process on how to connect it on our smartphone. So if you have the Atmos Drift or the Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch and you want to connect or set it up on your phone, specifically Android smartphone, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and connect our Atmos Drift 2X smartwatch, the Atmos Fit Drift 2X smartwatch, to our smartphone. So we have the QR code here. On the user manual, we have the HRYFINE application. This is available on Android and iOS. If you lost the user manual, the QR code is also available here in the smartwatch. Just go to the settings and we have the QR code here. Okay, scan the QR code and can download the application, or in our case, we'll just search it directly on our Google Play Store. So open your Google Play Store, then search the application HRYFINE app. So we have here the application. It's a popular application, as you can see here, 50 million plus downloads. Tap on install. Wait for it. Okay, we have 89.36 MB. Let's wait for the completion of download and it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. We have here 71%, 87, 94, and it is now complete. It's now installing. And now that the app is already installed here on our Android smartphone, let's open the application. So let's open the application. Tap on open. So we have here our user privacy policy and agreement. Agree. We have here our permission, access to physical activity, allow it, access to your phone call logs, allow it, and contacts. We also have here the position of devices, allow, and for notification you can disable this, or if you want to receive notification, just tap on allow. The same with our Bluetooth call and SMS messages. It's now going to load the dashboard. Tap on I have read and agreed. You can register or you can log in directly. Let's see if we can log in. Then we have here our temporary account and password. Remember it, write it down, then confirm. Confirm. Then set your profile. So we'll put our profile here. Then confirm. Confirm. Set successfully. Okay, this is running permission. You can set it in the background. enable notification permission for the application. Just look for the app and allow. Go back, then select the me section, then search device, allow. Okay, again, so search device. Okay, permission for scanning Bluetooth devices, so permission here. Let's see the nearby devices, it's okay. Location permission, allow. Go back, then tap on search again. It's now looking for our smartwatch, and as you can see here, we have the Drift 2X. Okay, to pair, again, we lost the smartwatch. Okay, select. It's now connecting on our wearable. Let's see if we'll have a successful connection. Okay, device is connected. Okay, close, cancel. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request for our Bluetooth pair. And as you can see here, we are connected. Let's see. Okay, unit switch, device settings, find my watch, and we have it here. Okay, so we have successfully paired or connected our smartwatch on our Android smartphone. So very easy. You have the message notification here. Let's have the basic setup. Let's disable some of the apps here that we are not using. Go back, confirm. Go back. Then let's add a phone number. Do we have it here? Phone book. Add. Import. Add a phone number. Confirm, refresh. If this thing works, we are properly connected. Okay, let's see. Dial and contacts, and we have it here. Okay. As you can see, very easy to pair or connect our Atmos Drift 2X smartwatch on our Android smartphone. So if you are having a hard time pairing it, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.